Namaste. Welcome, gentlemen. It's Anita Tadavarthi, licensed acupuncturist for the past 20 years. Today, I wanted to talk to you about ED. I wanted to talk to you about having what you desire, that firmer, longer, fuller erection. And one thing that I have discovered in all my 20 years of experience in treating men such as yourself is that some of you are struggling with snoring and may also be struggling with ED. Now, why can this be related? Well, let me break it down for you. When you are snoring, then you're not getting as much rest. In addition, your nose is blocked, so you're breathing in through your mouth. When you are snoring, you're not doing nasal breathing, and nasal breathing can increase nitric oxide, can help with testosterone, which can let you have that firmer, fuller, longer erection, right? So I want to give you some simple acupressure that you can do nightly to help you to relieve that snoring and help you breathe through your nose. And also, if you do this, then you can practice nasal breathing more easily throughout the day, which will help you to increase nitric oxide, help with testosterone, which is going to help you have that firmer, fuller erection. So with that, first acupressure point that I would like for you to consider is one that I've shared before, but it has a different use here in this video. We're going to go from yin tong, which is in the forehead where the bindi goes. We're going to go above the eyebrows to the temple, all the way along the jawline, and then we're going to go to the eyes. This covers all 4 sinus cavities and helps you to take away the debris from the nasal pathways. It can help you with ethmoid, sphenoid, frontal, and maxillary sinuses. In addition to this acupressure point, I want you to pair it with the large intestine meridian on the hand and forearm. Now, this combination works so well because in Chinese medicine, we work with reflexology and we work with mirror images. So in Chinese medicine, this area represents the nose, and so does this area. And actually, the entire face is represented on the forearm as well as the palm of the hand. So when we massage this whole meridian, we have many different effects. We are helping clear out the nose, which is covered by the large intestine meridian, but the large intestine meridian also covers the back of the body and the spine, including the ejaculatory reflex, so that you have more control over that erection. And in addition to Chinese medicine, the back of the body also mirror images the front of the body, so it helps to get the lower abdomen as well as the genitalia. So this 2 combinations of points, and we're going to do it together for the next 2 minutes, is going to help open up the sinus cavities, help open up the nasal pathways, is also going to bring blood flow to the spine and the front of the body and the genitalia. So you have everything working together to improve breathing through your nose, increase nitric oxide, increase testosterone to help you have that erection to your satisfaction. So for the next 2 minutes, follow along with me. Here we go. Do these 2 points for a minimum of 2 minutes, just like I showed you. You can do it longer, do it nightly till your snoring is relieved, and be sure to work with your doctor. I wish you all the best.
We would like to thank Anita's friends and business contacts who donated their time, money, and medical supplies to the Rapely Free Clinic.
We're here in my grandfather's marriage hall, which has now been converted into our clinic or free hospital. We have been here for 4 months, and we have treated about 1,000 patients with over 8,000 or 9,000 patient visits. Most of the patients are farmers and agricultural workers, so a lot of the things that they're dealing with is pains, lots of different types of